G'day guys, welcome back. If this is the first time you've joined us, you're actually joining the No Small Creators 30-day challenge. 30 vlogs or 30 creations in 30 days. So this is my second day. If you're rejoining us, thanks. Hope you're going to enjoy the trip. Last time I spoke to you, I did say that we were going to be going Astro photography tonight, doing a little bit of time-lapse. Unfortunately, the weather has come over terrible. It is supposed to clear tonight. Maybe we'll get some in. So in the name of adventure, we're still going to keep going. Head out there. Worst case scenario, I'll show you the best part of Australia when camping in the rain. So I'll go through my setup with you, how to keep warm and how to keep dry and still enjoy the weather even though it's raining, because in Australia it doesn't rain very often and it's not easy to whinge and complain about it when you rarely see it. So catch you soon when we're out there. A motorway. I'm doing nothing. Oh, pop over there. Distance. Well, can you believe that? Look at that. Oh! Yep, that's the sun. And glad we stuck to it and came out. Just here at Ben's place, picking him up. He might be coming out with us tonight. Do some shooting. Looks like it's actually going to be good weather for the Astro, so glad we stuck to it. We've had a bit of a change of plans. We've got the young fella and the tall fella. But the issue is in the truck. We've got the one seat and the two seats. And it is illegal to have three in a two-seater. So we're abandoning the camping tonight. And we'll see what else we can come up with. Well, you're at the pub, mate. How old are you?
8.
8. And what are you drinking? Fire engine? Yes, yummy. Gonna play some pool? No, because you're not allowed, eh? Yeah, it's alright. Okay.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
I don't know, why'd the chicken cross the road?
Because it farted all the way.
It's so different.
How's your jalapenos, mate? Don't like them?
A few moments later.
Fortnite on the wall. Oh mate. Are you gonna video me playing?
I am videoing you.
Are you putting this on YouTube?
Yeah, this is how our camping trip ended up. Hey Bindi.